Some have personal messages written on the cake, while some want their superheroes or characters to be on the cake. Along with this, if you want to be in the trend, try photograph cakes where the photo of the birthday boy or a girl gets printed on the cake. Hello, this is Seshu, CEO Bakers Fun. We've made around 14,659 photo cakes to be specific with you. Today, let me help you with few of the questions, common questions as a customer you have on photo cakes. The first question commonly people ask is, are the photo sheets placed on the cake are edible? Yes, they are edible. They are made with wide range of ingredients such as rice, starch, or even potatoes. So is the ink used to print is toxic? No. The ink is non-toxic and is made with food edible colors and sugar. Well, how do these taste? To be specific, they don't have any taste. They are made to dissolve on a moist surface such as frosting on the cake so that it looks real. I am curious, have you ever tried photo cakes? Share with us with an yes or no in the comment section. I'll be coming up with more amazing content like this every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Until my next video, this is Seshu signing off.